Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here to show you something that you already seen, but we're here to do something else for you guys today.
So last video we showed you guys we're working on this lot for this owner. He wanted to put a path through the middle of it. This is about a 1/4 acre lot. He wanted to put a path through the center of it and put in a fire pit and whatnot in the center. So what we're gonna work on today is taking out all these stumps, right? So last video, if you haven't seen it, go watch it. We're gonna take out all these stumps and clean up the sides, make it a little bit more wider, and take out anything that we didn't take out last time. And then in a future video, we're gonna cut out these two sides here, right? This is right in the center of the lot. It's about a 1/4 acre of a lot. And we're gonna clear out these two sides to put in a fire pit here in the center, have areas for people to sit around, and we may do a few more things. So, but for today, we're gonna take out the stumps that are down here, anything that's left, anything that may need cut, and then we're gonna do that with a brush cutter. Let me show you that. Let me show you this brush cutter. This is a brush cutter attachment on a Shindawa 2620. Shindawa. And we have the Forester attachment on it today, and that will take out the stumps and any big branches. And we also have our hedge trimmer attachment, which we will use to go along the sides and clean up anything like this. Anything that's hanging over or is kind of in the way of people walking through and it may scratch their arms or anything like that. That's what we're looking at getting today. We're gonna clean it up, get all the stumps out. We're gonna have to find a way to get this, 3.5 inch stump out, but we'll get it out. So that's what we're up to today. Stick around and watch us get it done.
Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to be cutting all the roots out of the lot we started doing. The blade, if you guys are wondering what the blade is called, it's called a Forester blade. And it has a chainsaw. It's almost like a chainsaw where, if you need to see the name, here's the name. Let me turn this off for a minute so you can really hear me. But it's called the Forester blade. And these are all the blades. They spin one way. If you go to cut a tree from left to right, it's going to be harder to cut. It'll be hitting the back of the blade. So you kind of want to start cutting from right to left because it rotates this way. There's arrows on here if you guys don't know. There's arrows to let you know. But let's get started and see where we're going. As you can see, all the blades are spinning. They're spinning one way. I'll hit the throttle a little bit so you can see it. But we're going to be cutting all the roots out. Here we go.
So Kevin just went through, took out all the stumps with the Forester blade, which you can find on Amazon. I believe that blade's maybe $22, $23. And it fits onto any, well, you may have to have a special attachment for your trimmer. The one that I'm using is the brush cutter attachment from Shindawa, which was $99. So, but it cuts through pretty good. It'll cut through small branches, everything. I mean, look, it took a 2-inch stump out. It's pretty good. So we just went through, took out all the stumps out of here from all the trees and bushes that were in here, and yeah, there's still some left, and we'll get those. But now we're gonna run through, we're gonna clean up the sides here with the hedge trimmer attachment that as well goes along with the Shindawa 2620 PAS attachment system. So we're gonna clean up these sides, make it a little bit more, so when you walk through, they don't scratch your arms and you don't have to worry about it. So that's what Kevin's gonna do now.
Here you are with the hedge trimmer on here, getting ready to go.
We'll end up taking that tree out. The hedge trimmer can cut up to 2 inches.
Hey guys, here you go. We just finished cleaning this up. We widened it a little bit so that you're not bumping into anything when you're coming through. Obviously, we have to clean all this up. We'll be getting into that. But we widened it up so that you're not banging into it. And we'll move everything where it needs to be, out of the way. We'll haul it away. And then the next video, what you'll see is we will be making this wider where we can get a fire pit in here for the homeowner. But as you see, it's a mess right now. We're gonna clean this up. Once we clean this up, you'll see what we're doing for the homeowner. Like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.